I think that subjugate means to try to make someone do something or people do something without caring about how they feel or if they get hurt, because the person on top is clearly standing on other people. And like turning people into slaves is obviously gonna hurt a lot of people because slavery isn't good.
Like I think it's like somebody, like I think it's something leading them to take over something or occupy something, like it said. I think it's like for them to expand more, because now we have 50 states, so obviously they expand more. But like the way the angel is going that way, and like she's letting like positivity come by while she's passing out. I agree. It's like when they were believing that someone would come, like to expand their country.
It means to take over and expand the world because according to the image, it looks like there's two people fighting for different parts of the world.
Also because it looks like the guy is hugging the world, so it's kind of quite around it and took it over.
Alright, so according to the image, I feel like it means to like basically take over and expand the world, because according to the image, it's like if both are fighting to get to a place where they'll feel like they're taking over.